Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a clean and cook video. So I have a few dishes to do and I definitely want to clear up my space before I get started cooking. What's on the menu today is a tenderloin that I will be using my InstaPot for, and then we'll have mac and cheese and maybe a vegetable. I'm still trying to decide which vegetable. Don't mind my kitchen. We've been a bit under the weather this week, so things have been kind of all over the place, so please bear with me while I do that. So I'm gonna clean first and then we'll get started cooking.
Relationship to grow. They tell me to trust a woman in this industry, but she not any woman, more like a sacred friend to me. Cause when I'm out of town, I always think of her. Might conversate with some chicks, but no one come above her. I thought I was your man, guess you ain't understand. And now I'm sitting here looking crazy, like damn. I try to leave something peaceful, be back, be back. So I went ahead and finished the dishes off camera because it was taking a minute. Let me hurry up and get dinner cooking before my baby asks for another snack. Now it's time to cook the pork tenderloin. This is the tenderloin that I have. We got it from Aldi and it is in the Italian flavor. And it's only like barely touching a pound and a half. So it should cook fast in this Instant Pot.
So I'm gonna sear it a little bit and then I'll be ready to pressure cook it. I only seared this just a little bit because I'm so scared of drying it out, but it already looks so good seared. So now, since we have this stuff at the bottom, I'm gonna turn off the saute and I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken broth in there. I don't buy boxed chicken broth. I just make it from home using bouillon. Gosh, this thing is so hot. So I'm gonna carefully pour this. I use this chicken bouillon flavor. So I think I might do a teaspoon. And like a little extra. The only thing we measure in this house is when I'm baking. Since I'm so scared of touching the sides and I got an itty bitty whisk, just stir it. Take some of that stuff up. I'm gonna actually go ahead and season the broth. I know it's already seasoned, but I'm gonna season it a little bit more because I don't know how flavorful this tenderloin will be, and we like it flavorful. So we got some garlic powder, a little bit of onion, and then since this is an Italian tenderloin, I will be using Italian seasoning, maybe for a little razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna give it a quick little stir. Now I'll go in with my onions. I chopped them thick, as my fiance requested. This one's kind of thick. Ooh. And y'all, we like onions over here. It looks like I'm supposed to be making a roast. Now for the star of the show, the tenderloin. Just sit that in there. Ooh, this looks good. And I'm gonna let the juices that sat in the plate, just add that in there. This looks good. Maybe I should put onion on top. So the tenderloin's in. Now it's time to pressure cook it. Since this is 1.5 pounds, I think someone said do 20 minutes per pound. So since it's 1.5 pounds, I'll do 30 minutes. All right, y'all. Now I'm about to work on the sides. This is the lazy mom side. So I'm gonna put on green beans, house vote. The French style green beans are the best green beans. And don't mind my missing burner. My man spilled tomato soup everywhere. The second side that we have is the market side classic macaroni and cheese. I don't have time to make mac and cheese from scratch, but I love this mac and cheese. The pressure cooker has been naturally releasing for about 7 minutes. I think I'm gonna go ahead and release it. It's got a little tender. Probably can shred it rather than slice it. It didn't come out how I thought in my head, but it feels so tender and it looks juicy, so hopefully it tastes better than it looks. All right, y'all, this is the final look of this meal while it's plated. I'm of course not in a mood to eat much because your girl just got a fever. But this is my plate, that's his plate. And y'all, this pork was so tender, I barely could cut it with a knife. It was just trying to pull. So I'll probably put something in the video to let you know what I think about it. My fiance rates it an 8.5 out of 10, so pretty good for our first time. So I believe he's gonna want us to make some more. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.